Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. We have another Boxycharm here that we're going to be unboxing. This is also our Boxycharm for October. It is the base box. Now, so this is my second one. My very first one I posted last week. This is a second box with a different variation, hopefully, and we're going to go ahead and get diving into it and seeing what is in this box for this month. And we're going to see what's in this box, and maybe hopefully we have some different items to play around with and take a closer look at. So if you guys want to see my other unboxing, I will have it at the end of this video, but if you guys don't see it there, I will also put it in the description as well as the iCard up above. We're going to go ahead and get diving into this video right now. Unfortunately, I don't know what my shipping weight is for my Boxycharm because I didn't get a shipping confirmation for this box, so I cannot tell you how much it weighs. I know that's something a lot of you guys like to know, but I will let you guys know my variation. So this is my card, and I have variation number 32. So first item I have here is the Luxie brushes. Now this is one that I did get in my first bag. Let me find it really quickly. This is what mine looks like, and then these are the brushes. You get like the spoolie, like a flat shader brush, and then these are more eye brushes. So I've only used one of them so far, but these are the brushes that will be in the bag. Next thing I have here, which I have received before, this is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. I actually have received this in my box before. It's like a flower shaped or something like that. Yeah. And this is what it looks like. I actually was kind of impressed with this product. I actually found this product to work really nicely. Like, it did a really good job at buffing out like my kneecaps and like my feet and my arms and stuff. And it just makes my skin feel really soft. So this is something I'll definitely use. The next thing I have here is called Frank Body. This is a glow mask, and this is a caffeinated. It just says caffeinated on it. It says glow on, I dare you. It says for bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into the skin and leave for 10 minutes. Rinse and glow. Okay, so I'll give this a shot. Next thing I have is, what's this? Oh, the Dose of Colors. This is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, and I actually got the shade number 16 Medium Tan. So I actually did also receive this one in my box, and let me see which one I got. I don't know what shade I got. I got light medium number 11. So this is number 16. Let me see what it looks like. Just a little bit darker. So here is the one that they just sent me, and then this is the one that was sent to me last week. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I just want to see the difference really quickly. So that there is shade number 11. That's the shade that I got last week. And then here is the new shade, just for comparison purposes, so you guys can see. They look pretty similar, just a little bit lighter. So I could probably use these both. I've been using these underneath my eyes. I actually have it on today. I like it, but it's definitely one of those that oxidizes. If you guys have tried it yet, let me know. But mine oxidizes. Like, it gets a little bit darker, so I actually have to mix mine with a little bit of a brighter concealer. But I like the formula. It feels lightweight. It's not super heavy. It stays on throughout the day, and it feels good. Like, it feels really nice under the skin, I should say. The formula is very much reminiscent to me from the Covergirl True Blend concealer. So that formula is like, it's got coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy underneath the eyes. That's how I feel about these. So you can see, just having it on a little bit longer, how it has oxidized, especially this one in comparison to the bottle. So I don't know, I probably can spot conceal with this. I think that would work. And then the last item I have is the Editor Palette by Ciate London. This is another palette that I got in my last box. Where's mine? Mine's right here. I actually played around with it because I did a Boxycharm like IG reel over on Instagram. So I did play around with this the other day, and here is what it looks like. You guys see all my swatches? I was just testing out the new Pat McGrath palette. I just got this in today, so that review is coming, you guys. Just wait for it. You guys are gonna want to see that one. But back to this palette. I played around with it. I've played around with, wait, which palette? What did I play? I don't even remember what I played with. Play around with this weekend with the more like bronze tones. And it was good. The matte shadows blended out really nicely so far. And the metallics I liked. I did use the brush, which I thought applied really nicely. I use the Luxie brush to apply it, but it works really well with the brush or your fingers. So because I already have this palette, I'm going to save this one for an Instagram giveaway. Usually I like to do monthly giveaways over on my Instagram, if you didn't know this. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me there as well. And I do monthly giveaways, and another giveaway is due very, very soon. So keep an eye out for it. It's coming. So that is everything I got in my box. It was kind of similar to the box I got my last box. And this is the one that I pay for. So this is my paid box. The other one that you guys saw the unboxing was my PR box, and I think they're pretty similar. I'm interested to try this one out. It's supposed to hydrate the skin, which I could definitely use it right now. You guys let me know. I know that we're starting to get our boxes in. You let me know what you got in your box, what you're most excited about. I'm excited about this palette. Would I have preferred to get another palette? Of course. But I'm not mad about it. I do like this palette, so I'm glad I got it. And I'm glad I got another one so I can share it with you guys. I do know that in the comments that I was reading, a lot of you guys also really wanted to get like the Beauty Bakery palette, which would have been really awesome to get. So whatever you guys got, I hope you really enjoyed it. That is today's video. That is today's unboxing. But I am very pleased with my box. I do like my box. I thought this month they killed it with the boxes. I thought they did such a good job. They put in a lot of really great brands in here to try out. So you guys let me know your thoughts on this month's box. The only other box we are waiting for now is our Ipsy boxes. And that will be coming up here in the next couple of days. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys turn those notification bells on. So the next time I upload a video, you guys are aware. I will see you guys all in my next video, but if you guys haven't checked out these videos, make sure to check them out. So if you guys haven't checked out my newest videos, this one is my Boxycharm unboxing that I did, which is my other box if you want to check that one out. And then we have one of our newest videos down here as well. So click on one of those, come hang out with me for a little bit longer, and I will see you guys there. Bye.